You're here! Hi there! So glad you could make it. Welcome. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Rube. Welcome to English 122, First Year College Composition and Reading. In this class, we will investigate the themes of literacy and academic literacies. We will practice active reading. We'll be annotating texts and keeping triple entry reading journals for most of our readings. We will have weekly discussions and other interesting activities. We'll also write 4 major essays through multiple drafts with peer reviews. And we'll have a final portfolio in which you compose a major revision of a previously graded essay and a reflections of learning essay. Let me tell you a little bit about the essays. Essay number 1 is going to be a literacy narrative where you explore some of your experiences with reading, writing, and learning, and where you're at in terms of literacy at the start of the course. Essay number 2 is an informed opinion on what college writing is or what college writing is not. Essay number 3 is a rhetorical analysis investigating multiple authors, rhetorical situations, and the rhetorical devices and appeals that they use in their writing. Essay number 4 is an argumentative essay with research. My student hours or office hours will be on Tuesdays between 2 and 3 p.m. or by appointment on Zoom. The link is located underneath the video and on this page. What's next? So read the rest of the homepage, and when you're done, click on the Start button, also at the bottom of the page, and get started right away with Module 0, Getting Started. Each time that you log into our Canvas course, you'll want to check this homepage for recent announcements at the top of the page. Then, the best way to navigate the course is on the Modules page. Once you've checked the homepage for announcements, always stay on the Modules page. You will go through all the items in each module sequentially. All instructions, readings, activities, assignments, due dates will be found on these modules. One module leads to the next one, and the modules and module pages build upon each other. So please don't skip any items in the modules, or you may find yourself lost when trying to write your essays. You'll actually save time and avoid confusion if you stay on the modules page. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not an easy class, and I'm going to put you to work. So please give this class at least 10 hours of your time every week. And come see me during student hours to discuss your progress. I'm also happy to do tutorials during student hours. Please reach out to me if you have any issues or any questions. Okay, I am here for you, and I'm always happy to help. And whatever your circumstances may be, I'm happy to work with you. Because, teaching for me is not a job, it's a passion. I love doing it. I look forward to meeting all of you, and here's to a great semester.